everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am back once again and this year I am prepared to batter my YouTube channel, not in an aggressive way. I think it's got something to do with the fact that I'm obsessed with like horoscopes and stuff, and I saw mine the other day, which was a Scorpio, and it said use the time now to plan, organise and get the year ahead ready together kind of thing. Does that make sense? It made sense to me. And what I do want to come out of this year is to be doing everything that I love doing, and what I love doing is YouTube, making videos, and I don't do it enough. I really don't. And I always say to myself, oh, you should do it more. So I've actually said to my mum that she is now my momager, and once a week she's agreed to come up to me, batter me if I don't do a video, not in an aggressive way. And if I do one, I get rewarded with shortbread and Monster Munch. So what better deal can you get, to be honest? Before I start, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification button if you want to be notified when I upload new videos, because it may not be weekly, not gonna lie. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and obviously any comments, leave them down below. I love reading those. It's my favourite part of YouTube, as I say in every single video. By the way, before I start, because I know I'm going to have a little ramble and chat now, so if you want to see the little chatty bit, then stay tuned. But if you don't, I'll timestamp either up in the corner, anywhere down in the description box below. I just snotted. I'm just rambling. Do people like rambling? I feel like people don't, but you know what? It's my video. I'm making it. It's our video, family. We're a family. I am now as well, I can actually say this, oh my god, I am now actually a makeup artist, like job title, makeup artist, no longer sales assistant. Oh my god. It's been a long time coming, I'm not gonna lie. Another little life update for you. 25th of February, I am starting an adult nursing degree, which I'm really excited about. I start on 25th of February, I'm really nervous about it and working for myself, so life has changed a lot. Which you would think would give me more time to film, but it doesn't. So I need the shortbread bribery. So anyway, little life update over. I'm going to be trying to put different things on my channel. I don't want it to just be solely makeup. I want to be chatting with everyone, getting more interactive, making it more fun. Basically just making it more of a channel that shows me. Anyway, if you want to see the look that I have on my face right now, then keep on watching the video. I've already done my eyebrows using the Olivia Belle Beauty Brow Pomade in Ebony and carved them out with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. Then I went over the top of my eyelids using the PLouise eyeshadow base in Rumour. Now I'm just taking a medium greyish purple shade from the Morphe 35p palette on a NYX 15 smudger brush and mapping out an oval stencil of where I'd like this colour to be on my eye. Create the highest part of the oval first, which will be in the centre of the crease, and taper the two outer edges downwards towards the corners of your eye to form an oval shape. Do this in small stages as we're going to build up this colour several times to get the perfect blend. Once you're happy with the placement of the colour, take a buffing brush and rock it back and forth through the socket of the eye. Running the brush through the socket of the eye will just make sure that the crease colour stays in a perfect oval shape while slowly blending it outwards, so take your time with this step. Don't be tempted to do circular motions on the outside of the colour, as this will blow the colour out too much and ruin the oval shape that you've just created. Now with a black shade from the Morphe 35p palette on a Spectrum pencil brush, tap the colour into the socket of the eye into the same oval shape. We want this colour to be half on the lid and half on the crease, as this is going to make the eye look like a halo eye once the shimmery purple shade is placed on top. Keep building this colour until you're happy with the depth, and then blend using a fluffy blender brush. If you're struggling to blend out this colour, take the brush that you had your first grey colour on and tap it on top of that black colour, and then blend once again with a fluffier brush. Now using a flat lid brush, pack the shimmery lilac colour from the Morphe 35p palette and apply it straight to the lid using patting motions. If you'd like to spray water or setting spray onto this colour to foil it, then you can, but it's pigmented enough without doing that. Cover the whole lid first and then begin to slowly diffuse the colour beyond the socket of the eye so that it shows beyond the eyelid. Take a fluffy angled blending brush and blend the edges of the shimmer into the grey shade in the crease. Take the grey shade from the Morphe 35p palette and apply it using a liner brush to the bottom outer 2/3 of the lid. You can take this colour as dark as you'd like, but a lower lid doesn't suit me, so I like to keep it quite light, and then blend out with the smudger brush. On the inner third of the lower lid, apply the shimmery lilac shade to highlight using the same liner brush. At this point, I applied Anastasia Beverly Hills Gel Liner in Jets to my upper lash line, but apparently I didn't film it. So with this, I went from a thin line and the inner portion of my eye and thickening outwards towards the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm applying MAC Strobe Cream to my skin to make sure that it's really hydrated, because my skin has become so dry and uneven during winter with all the central heating. I just massage this in with my fingers, and if you're going to use your hands for your makeup, always make sure that you've washed them first, as your hands are the worst thing for carrying germs and bacteria. I'm going straight in with my Fenty Pro Filter Foundation in 140 and patting this into my skin using the Sigma 3D HD Kabuki brush. I apply my foundation straight from the bottle to my skin so that I can waste as little as possible and get a more full coverage. I also don't use a sponge anymore for my foundation, as with me it just lifts the product off my skin, so I found that the best method for me is to be patting the product in with a Kabuki brush, but everyone's different. Now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain and drawing a scalene triangle under my eye. Someone was listening in school. And then I'm taking that right up to my cheekbone to highlight and lift my cheeks. I use a flat shadow brush to pat over this product to blend it into my skin. As soon as I've finished blending, I take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder in Transparent and pack this on top to avoid any creasing. Then I apply the LA Girl Concealer above my eyebrows to perfect the shape, carving out the top of my eyebrow using a flat shadow brush. For my contour, I use the MAC Mineralise Skin Finish Natural in Dark. I start by drawing a line underneath my cheekbone and then buffing onto my cheekbone, up towards my ear, creating a point shape heading towards the corner of my lip. Does that make sense? Think where you would usually apply a blusher and then buff it onto this area. Also buff this onto the temples of the forehead, the top of the forehead, the jawline, around the chin, anywhere where the face dips. That's where you want to apply it, that's where you want to enhance. Now I'm applying my MAC blush in Melba, which is a peachy pink matte blush, and I'm just applying this to the apples and high points of my cheeks, overlapping with the bronzer. I'm using the YSL The Curler Volume Mascara on my lashes. I only have this in a sample size, but I will definitely be buying a full size because it's the most black, thickening and lengthening mascara I've ever used. It's also a pain to get off, which I love because that means it won't flake during the day. As my lips are so imbalanced, I like to overline my top lip using the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Liner in Exposed. I enhance the middle of my lips and then bring the outer corners down to my normal lip shape to keep them looking as natural as possible. By outlining your lips, your lipstick will stay neater also, and the chance of it feathering also decreases. The colour I'll be using on my lips is MAC's Myth lipstick, and I have no idea why I didn't film this bit, but I went over that with the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. Finally, I applied Becca's Champagne Pop Highlighter to my cheekbones, the inner corners of my eyes and above my eyebrows. And at some point I had applied my false lashes, which were the Eldora lashes in the style M116, I believe. And that is the full look complete. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. It'd help me out massively. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscriber button down below and the bell notification button to be notified when I make new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!